Good afternoon, students. I hope so you have completed your test, and now it's time for self assessment. You have to assess yourself how much you have done the correct, and then send me this test. After self evaluation, you have to award marks yourself. Out of 10 marks, how many marks you will get, I will see. First question, now it's time for discussion. First question, out of the substances secreted by the cells lining the stomach is. Out of the substances secreted by the cells lining of the stomach is. Yes, you have to tell out of these four options. First option is acetic acid, second is sulfuric acid, third hydrochloric acid, and fourth option none of these. Yes, beta, yesterday we have revised this question also. The cells lining the stomach secrete digestive juices, hydrochloric acid, and mucus. What do digestive juices do? Digestive juices help in the digestion of proteins. HCl, hydrochloric acid, kills the microbes that enter the body with the food. It also provides the acidic medium for the efficient digestion of the food. And mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach from the action of hydrochloric acid. So correct option is hydrochloric acid, because stomach lining secrete digestive juices, hydrochloric acid, and mucus. Here out of four options, hydrochloric acid is given. So correct answer is hydrochloric acid. Now second question. Humans have dash permanent teeth. How many teeth? Yes, students, we have how many sets of teeth? We have two sets of teeth. The first set is called temporary or milk teeth. And how many milk teeth are there? There are 20 milk teeth, and they fall down by the around 6 years of age. Or there are how many permanent teeth? 32 permanent teeth in adults, 16 in each jaw. The permanent teeth are the only set of teeth that we have for the rest of our lives. There are 32 permanent teeth. So find out how many permanent teeth. Whether 36, 32, 38, 20. Yes, 32. So our correct answer is 32. Now third question is the fill-ups you have to fill. The final products of fat digestion are dash and dash. Yes, beta, the final products of fat digestion are, you know very well, fat digestion takes place from the bile, which is secreted by the liver gland, which is present in our body. What do this bile do? Bile break down the fats into the glycerol and fatty acid. So your correct answer is fatty acid and glycerol. Now next question, fifth question is the defecation. You have to define defecation. Yes. Fourth question, animals are. You have to fill up this very easy, very easy. Animals are, you know very well, plants prepare food for themselves, so they are known as producer. In the same way, Animals can't prepare their own food. They uh, depend on others. So they are called heterotrophs. They are called heterotrophs. Here Phillips, animals are heterotrophs. Now fifth question, define defecation. Defecation you have seen when the in the digestive system, when the food get digested, get absorbed by the small intestine. Digested means when the complex form of food is converted into the simpler form. It get absorbed by the villi which are present in the small intestine. After that, what happened, beta? The semi-solid feces stored in the rectum, and that semi-solid feces is removed or ejected from the body through the anus by defecation. What you have to write down? The semi-solid feces is stored in the rectum. It is removed or ejected from the body through the anus by defecation. Yes. Now question number 6. What are the functions of the tongue? Very, very easy. Everybody can write. 1 2 function everybody can write. What are the functions of the tongue? Where it is present, beta? In the mouth. And you know very well, it is an important sense organ also. If it is important sense organ, then what tongue will do? It means it will taste the different, detect the different taste. So how we can write out? Tongue is a very important sense organ. Taste buds are present on the tongue that help us to detect the different taste. What are the different tastes? Sweet, salty, bitter and sour. Second function, during chewing, when we chew the food, what do tongue do? Tongue helps to mix the food with saliva. Second function you have to write down, during chewing, tongue helps to mix the food with saliva. It carries how many marks? 2 marks. So there are sufficient 2 functions you have to write down, but we can discuss third point also. What do other function do? Tongue also helps to speak. It helps us to speak. You can write any 2 functions which you can write easily out, because this question carries only 2 marks. So you have to write down 2 functions. Now last question. Name the 4 chambers of ruminant stomach. You know ruminants. Ruminants means grass eating animals. Cow, buffalo, goat. You have to tell the name of the 4 chambers, name of the ruminant stomach, which is divided into the 4 chambers. Yes, you know very well, most ruminants have a special stomach which have 4 chambers. First chamber, name of the first chamber is rumen, rumen. Second, reticulum, reticulum. And third, omasum, omasum. And fourth, abomasum, abomasum. Beta, now you have to check yourself, your paper, self-assessment is there, and you have to write down roll number, name, class, section, so that I may prepare the list. I have to prepare the list. That's why you have to write down roll number also. Okay, beta? Then send to me, or you can send to your class teacher also. Thank you very much, beta.